Ola, bafethu, I'm tired of you guys smelling in a taxi ne. Wonke umuntu etaxi unuka amakhwapha. This thing needs to stop. Gezani mafethu. Izola la bengibila itaxi mfethu. Yo. Kangena omunye umuntu umfana ne umnyama uyabona ukuthi uphuma afere. Emfethu dama unuka amakhwapha street. Uyafika lapha uyangena etaxi unuka amakhwapha. Understand? Angithola. So please, I'm going to show you guys the proper way to take a bath. Man kanjani. But I understand. I feel like there's nobody showing you how to like take a proper bath. So I'm not sure you how to take a proper bath so you guys can smell nicely. Okay? You take a baguette, ne? Now manzila, ne? You take your vast clap. You take your vast clap. Vast clap, we call it a vast clap. In English is fake claw. You take it, ne? Or you go buy one, maybe 15 rand, ne? And then you take this thing, ne? Bar soap, ne? But as we call it sunlight. I'm told insipho, ngizulu. Please, bafethu. Please take it, ne? Take the face cloth, manje, kanje so, ne? Wait a minute. Take your face cloth, kanje. Take insipho yakho kanje, ne? You gotta make sure that your water is warm, ne? And then after that you do this. When the saw, ne? And then you do this, ne? When the saw, you rub it together, ne? So the soap, or bar soap, whatever can spread around, what. Then you take this thing, ne? You start by your face, ne? Because you can't put it in here and then you go in your face. Understand? Start by your face. So, you gotta make sure about it fresh, please. I'm gonna show you step by step on how to be hygiene. Just like this, Buffett. Plus, you see when you tag, ne? If you bat, you'll be yellow bone. I'm telling you, man. I'm giving you 3 months. If you can bat every day, in 3 months' time, you'll be yellow bone, man. And then you see, you do this. Ne? You couldn't same quickly. But you see your face, can't you? You see, look how beautiful I look, man. The girls now want me. You see, the girls don't want you because you don't bath. You must take a bath, dog. Yes. Now you go for the armpits. I can't really wash my dress because this thing takes maybe 5 hours to be dry. Understand? I was gonna wash them, but this one needs a salon and stuff. Understand? But you do this. So. And then you go for the makwap. Yes. So Buffett, please, ngikhathele man ngibile itaxi lana kunomuntu onunga amakhwapha. But it goes for everyone. Nabo gogo, last time kunomunye ugogo mfana onunga amakhwapha mfana. Ngizibisa ukuthi magogo wenzani kanti. Understand? So Buffett, please, gezani Buffett. Please take a bath, gezani kahle. So. Understand? Nigeze kahle nje. So. Understand? Nice. Every single day do this, Buffett. Understand? Take a bath, please, Nangela. You, yes. And then you do this. So. Understand? At least do that. Just you see what I did. It didn't take me long, but as soon as I wash my face and my armpits, my upper body for now. Understand? Let's say you late or something, but at least wash like that. Then not washing it all. At least wash like I washed like maybe 20% of my body right now. Understand? So at least do wash 20% and not wash it all. Vetu. Nothing. Namakwapa next. That's why man figure takes namakwapa nungkatila namakwapa vetu. I pay lentoli vetu. I pay poverty. I pay please. Ngoma ununga makwapa poverty. Why ununga makwapa? Ukhona umuntu rich unumanje ununga makwapa. Ukhona. I'm please man. Man qetile ne yenza so. Man qetile ne yenza so. Man say ngqetile ugeza until obviously yazi you can stand up and maybe wash your balls or wash whatever. Until man qetile yenza njani? Man qetile if you guys are done Vaseline yona manje iphelile ngiyamapaka manje Buffett namhlanje anginamali uba ngithenge nemali anginamali manje angakaholi mina until so for manje Buffett kunzima ana nevaseline yami na ivaseline yami akuna next. There's nothing but next. There's nothing in here. So this is all I have. You see put it on your face. Understand? Make sure that you shiny. When you smile, you shine same time. Then you say, this thing, perfect. You know that thing of you say you buy it for 30 rand, you say for 50 rand. Is this thing. So this thing, it smells nice. You say, kwa, tutu, kangan, kwa. Then you say, kwa. You smell nice, perfect. You smell nice. Look nice. The girls now, you're gonna see, girls now will now, you'll be like, girls want somebody who pass, perfect. You gotta smell good and so full to danger. Fana now, do you want the girl that smells you? You don't. She can be hot, and all. It's a turn off. You know, you wanted to be nice and stuff like that. So same as us, my channel must also be the same way. So guys, I'm giving my subscribers raise. I give you step 1, how to be hygienic. But besides girls, they just stay clean. Please. Thank you guys. Subscribe.